Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad IQRAM and my student ID is 2025850686 and I am the leader of group 4.
My name is Adam HAZIQ bin Roslan. My student ID is 2025467264.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. I am HANIS SAKINAH binti Samudin. I am from class AM1101A and my matrix number is 2025296164.
Hi, my name was Muhammad AKMAL bin Omar and my student ID was 2025291436.
Part A, Question 1. Zaliha invests 12,300 in an account that earns 13.5% interest compounded semi-annually. How long will it take for her investment to double in value? From the sentences, we are given information to help solve the question. I got 24,600 from doubling 12,300. Then I proceed like usual with the help of the formula. The first thing I do here is substituting the values. Then I divide both sides by 12,300. I am solving for t now, but t is stuck in the exponent and I cannot use normal algebra. Hence, I use natural log in to help bring down the exponent. As you can see, I'm taking the log in on both sides so that I can solve it like a normal algebra. I use the calculator to get in values and after that, I just plug the numbers in.
That's it. The answer for T is 5.31 years. Let's move on to the next question. B1 Roman. To me, this question is quite easy because I've been given all the information I need to solve it. For question 2 Roman, I have to grow the amount I just got for 2 more years at 8% compounded quarterly. So that's it. The final answer is 33,976 ringgit 90 cent.
Question 2A. 5 years ago, Ahmad deposited 15,000 into an account that earned 5% interest compounded monthly. Today, he planned to add RMY to the account. Find the value of Y if he want to have 45,000 in the account 10 years from today. So, the principal is 15,000, K is 0.05, M is 12, T is 5. We use the formula of S equal to P1 plus K over M and the power of MT. 15,000, 1 plus 0.05 over 12. And we'll get 19,250 ringgit 38 cent. We will use that for the new principal. 90,250 ringgit 38 cent 1 plus 0.05 over 12. And the answer for that is 31,705 ringgit 56 cent. After that, S equal to 45,000 ringgit minus 31,705 ringgit 56 cent. Then we use the formula P equal to S 1 plus K over M. And the answer for that is the value of Y, which is 8,771 ringgit 87 cent. Question 2B. Zaliha invests 7,000 at an interest rate of 6.4% compounded monthly for the first 6 years and 6% compounded every 4 months for the next 4 years. Find the maturity value and the total interest earned by Zaliha at the end of her investment. The first we have to do is list out principal, annual interest rate K, monthly M, interest period T. Then we will use the S equal to P1 plus K over M as the formula. So 7,001 plus 0.064 over 12 and we get 10,266 ringgit 54 cents. We use it as the new principal. And again we use the same formula, 10,266 ringgit 54 cents 1 plus 0.06 over 3. And the answer for maturity value is RM 13,020 ringgit 46 cent. And we have to find the interest, which is the formula is future value minus principal. And the answer for interest earned at the end of her investment is 6,020 ringgit 46 cent.
Part B, question 1. Kenanga Bank offer a personal loan of RM 250,000 with an interest rate of 4.8% compounded monthly. The customer must pay back the loan through monthly payment for 25 years. A. Find the monthly payment. From the question, we got A is equals to 250,000, K is equals to 4.8%, or equals to 0.048, M is equals to 12, T is equals to 25. To find the monthly payment, we use the annuity formula for loan repayment. The formula is A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided by I. Then we need to substitute the numbers into the formula. Next, we calculate the bracket part step by step using the calculator. So our equation now is 250,000 equals to R times 174.5208. To get the monthly payment, R is equals to 250,000 divided by 174.5208. So our final answer is RM 1,432 ringgit 49 cent. B. Immediately after paying the 288 payment, the customer decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the amount to be paid. First, we need to understand the situation. The customer has already paid 288 payment, which is equals to 24 years. Right after making the 288 payment, the customer wants to settle the remaining loans balance. So our goal is to find the value of the remaining 12 months of payments. So we got R is equal to 1,432.49, M is equal to 12, K is equal to 4.8%, or equals to 0.048, T is equals to 1, N is equal to 12. By using the same formula from the question A, which is present value, we need to substitute the numbers into the formula. Next, we calculate the brackets part step by step using the calculator. So our equation now is A is equal to 1,432.49 times 11.693738 equals to 16,751.16. So the amount to be paid is equals to RM 16,751 ringgit 16 cent.
B, question 2. Alisha borrowed RM 25,000 to buy a sofa set. She agreed to settle the loan in 24 monthly payment at 4.8% compounded monthly. Find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. If she fails to pay the first 5 monthly payments, find the amount that she must pay 6 payments to settle the outstanding arrears. As we can see, I already put the information and some of the answer here. So based on this formula, okay, I already put some of the answer. And okay, I solve these brackets here. So yeah, and okay, I want to fix it. Okay, 24 months. Then okay, we already have this. After we solve this bracket, the answer should pretty much be like this: 25,000 divided by the finance of this bracket was the 22x405. Then after that, we will get the answer of RM 1094 and 55 cent. Okay, and then we need to find the interest. It's not done yet, and okay, we already have the formula, so just put copy paste the information. Then it should be 1094 and 55 cent. Then 25,000. And so the final answer will be like this, which is 1, 2, 6, 9, and 20 cent. So this is the final answer. So let's move to this part. So let's move to this part where we will solve the question B, part B, which will, okay, we already have the formula, so we just need to follow that standard. We know R already. Okay, we know the R, and then solve this one, and then N, it should be 6 because there is 6 payment. So by this should be this, then okay, we solve the brackets, then okay, which is like this, then we will solve like this. It should be okay. The final answer should be like this. RM. The final answer should be RM 663 3 and 32 cents. So this is the final answer. So that's it. Thank you.